wanna know what we say in the club? Hey, baby. White folks, gangsters, and the thugs. Hey, baby. Stunting with a stack of them dubs. Hey, baby. Riding in the lack with a mug. Hey, baby. I'm in the club hollering. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Hey guys, let's do this really cute half up, half down quick weave. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep the portion of my hair that will be the quick weave. So I decided to just do 2 braids instead of like a full braid down for this portion. And I'm just pinning those braids down kind of to each other, making sure that they're flat, excuse me, before I put on the protective shield for the glue. So I'm just pinning those into like a circular shape so that it's pretty flat. Now let's talk about my leave out. So I did leave a slither of hair out that's going to cover my tracks for the part that we're doing the quick weave. So the portion that I'm braiding right now is my leave out for the part that's going to be down. So I'm just pinning that up. So when I put my quick weave down, that is out of the way. So I'm actually not using a cap for this style, but I'm going to place the tracks right onto my hair. So I want to make sure that I use a lot of the protective shield so that nothing is there. So I did do that full mold down first, let that dry, and now I'm going to mold my ponytail. So of course I like to use beeswax for any type of sleek ponytail that I do. So you just want to make smaller sections, add your beeswax, brush it into place like so. This is going to be a mid-length ponytail, so nothing too high. The middle portion is the bang that we're going to leave out. And again, I do like to do this section by section just to make sure that my ponytail looks as sleek as possible. Yep, and we're doing this with a mix of beeswax and hairspray. Now that the ponytail is done, I'm going to finish off the quick weave. So again, I'm putting that straight on to my hair, but I did already put the morning glory down, so no worries there. And just like you would a normal quick weave, I'm going to add glue to my tracks and then just place them onto my braids. Now, nothing special here. I just placed them in a U shape, ear to ear, blow dried half the way, but I am going to curl it. I think I did this honestly just to go a little bit faster. I couldn't really say it's a benefit of curling your hair in between, but I did. All right, and I just put down my leave out to make sure it looked good, blended well, before I started to do my ponytail. So now for the ponytail, I'm actually adding the hair to the ponytail with bobby pins, and then I'm going to use my glue for the last portion, the last like wrap around the ponytail, just to kind of make it a little more secure. But every time I do a ponytail, I never put glue all over, just because I like a little more leeway. I like to be able to unwrap the ponytail, wrap it back. I don't know, so I always opt to do the bobby pins first, but for that last wrap around, I'll add a little bit of glue for a little more protection, if you will. But now we're just going to do the same thing. I curled the bottom and I'm going to curl the ponytail, and then we'll actually be done. This is not really a quick style. There's a lot of parts to it, but it's not hard to do. So you might be styling for a while. My arms definitely got tired, but it's not something that's hard at all. Anybody could do this style, and it's actually really fun. If you have older tracks, you know, just laying around, this is a perfect style for it as well. Kind of give you a new, lively, freshened up look for pretty cheap. And this is definitely something you could do with your own hair. Maybe you had like clip-ins. Yeah. The only thing with this style, or these type of styles, they don't really last me that long. Like even if I did just a regular half up, half down, they never last me that long whenever I do them. I think honestly, I would say these last me a good week before it starts to look like, okay, let's take this down. You could definitely wear it longer, but I don't know, they never last. How long do your hairstyles like this last you? Honest, for me, it is a week. I can't see any longer than that. Yeah, I couldn't see any longer than that. For your bang, you could always add hair to it if you like. I do like the look when you add hair to the bang, but I never do it for some reason. But I'm just curling my bang, and that is the end of this hairstyle. So very cute, very easy, but not quick. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely stay tuned for more hair tutorials like this and even more. Thanks so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.
Probably get drunk as a skunk and put the keys in the wrong car.